Hey guys, welcome back. Let's just get started. So I'm starting off with the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot Primer. I use this primer combo all the time, so we're also going in with the Smashbox Primer Water and spraying this all over our face. Now we'll be going in with this Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. I enjoy this foundation. I think it's really nice, super matte. It's a great color, like it matches with your skin really well. And it's high coverage. So we're also going in with the Maybelline Better Skin Concealer. This is again my normal concealer. I use it like all the time. And we're setting our face with the Bare Minerals Translucent Powder. I'm now going in with the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I got it in a mini size so that way I could just try it out. I didn't have to commit to a whole big one. And as you notice, I put a little bit too much on at first, so be sure you're going in with a light hand with this. But other than that, it's a really nice formula and nice pigment. Now I'm going in with my normal blush, Just Blushing from LA Girl. And I'm going in with the Becca highlighting. This is going to be a liquid highlight. And I know I'm putting it on top of powder, but you know what? It works fine. And as you can see, you only need a very small amount for this. Now I'm going to be going with the ColourPop Yes Please palette. So I'm starting off with the shade Note to Self. I could be reading this palette backwards, but pretty sure I'm not. So I'm just putting that in my crease and a little bit all over the lid as well. And now I'm going to be going in with the shade Bling and just really focusing that on my lid. And we're going to blend it together, and then I'm going to go in with the shade French Kiss and put that on the outer half of my eyelids. Now I'm using the Stila eyeliner, and this is actually in the Midnight shade, so that way it's a little bit of blue in there. Something different than just the normal black. Now I'm going back into my palette to pop on French Kiss under my eyes. And I'm be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit to fill in my eyebrows a little bit, giving them a little bit more thickness. I think this is super easy to use. For mascara, I'll be using the Lights Camera Lashes mascara from Tarte. I really like this one. I think it is really good for lengthening your eyelashes as well as separating them a little bit. For lipstick, I'll be using the Kate Moss collaboration with Rimmel London, and this is in the shade 107. I think it's a really pretty color for this look. And this is the completed look. What do you guys think? I think it's really romantic, and I would wear it for Valentine's Day. Let me know if you would in the comments below. And that's all I have for you guys today. I will see you next time. Bye!